Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I've got something different for you guys. I've got some stickers that I just want to share with you, and these stickers come from a few years of collecting knives and EDC gear, so I just hope you like them, and there's no particular order of importance. I'm just gonna show you these to you guys, but hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's see, what do we have here? This is Riv Knives. I don't know if you can see, this is pretty clear. This was given to retailers, and this is another NAF, pretty cool one. Knife Nuts podcast, of course, a pretty cool podcast, started in 2017. This was the Avocado 2020 Rec PM2 that was given with that knife. Emerson Knives, of course, pretty classic, established 1979. Another from River's Edge Cutlery. Look at this, that's a pretty cool Facebook thumbs up with the knife. Hinderer Knives. It's like another classic, as well as ZT right there. Of course, you can have also some knife pivot loop, the KPL, Lynch clips, really interesting manufacturer for like pretty popular knife clips. Edelman Knives, another custom maker from Russia with knives. That's the distributor of CKF, which is Custom Knife Factory. This is another one from them. Of course, Shirogorov in this rainbow cool pattern there. And what else do we have? EDC. This one, actually, I don't know. What is this? It's just, it came with something that I probably bought. Nico designed, that's very cool. It's like a very cool designer that collaborates with Lautier, which is a pretty nice brand. Spartan Blades, of course. This is the custom division logo for Shirogorov. I've got these Arizona Knives, custom knives, which is an online store, pretty famous in US. Gavko, great designer and knife maker. Blades We Love, of course. Another Shirogorov right there. Look at this one, Wolfpack EDC. Another Riv Knives sticker right there, and there's a couple here of from Custom Knife Factory as well. Survival Tactical in the house. Look at this, Vero. I still have to get one of these knives. They're pretty hard to come by. DLT Trading online store with some pretty cool exclusives. Kirby Lambert, Canadian custom knife maker. Another DLT Trading sticker. Red Bear for Shiro. A different one for DLT. This is ESEE, Randall's Adventure Training Equipment Group, 1997. Very popular knives. This is PVK Vegas. It's a nice shop in Vegas, of course. Holt Blade Works with the Spectre in the hand. This is Guard Dog Insert. They do custom insert for your knife case. Of course, Richard Rogers, knives, very cool indeed. Ambury, they do fantastic haptic coins. And then you have Engraver's Dungeon, fantastic engraved stuff right there. Another Lion from Holt. Then you have Giltech right there. Space Monkey, Canadian knife maker. Another one from Emerson. Fellholter, of course, a very popular one. And then you've got this pretty cool lever gear. Barney, of course, great designer, great stuff. Lauti, that's the homie. And this is the Lauti, the hammer, which is the tool you use to disassemble their tools. Of course, we're not gonna miss Benchmade, another true classic right there. Hogue Knives. Wicked Edge, it's another very interesting sharpening tool. Yo-Yo Sam, they do some pretty cool fidget toys. You can check them online. Holt Mania, 2017 established for the Spectre. You know, this is Holt Bladeworks. Zekio, they do also some interesting toys like fidget, Worry Stones, Knife Joy, of course, EDC House, Koenig Knives, they do Arius, the Mini Goblin, great stuff. This is Ironborn, Flightanium. They also do some pretty cool scales, like very nice titanium stuff. Another one, Knife Joy. Look at this, another Flightanium. Nano cases, they're very cool, made in Canada. It's what I actually use to carry around my knives. GTC, it's Gustavo Cecchini, fantastic Brazilian knife maker, just integral master. Another Flightanium right there. Billet Spin, look at this, that's very cool. Custom top spin tops, and these two guys are from I think CKG Group. And then you have some Regina local Brotherhood of Electrical Worker. That's a neat one, very interesting. That's Guard Dog. They do fantastic quality foam insert. Another one, Flightanium. Yeah, I got some of these for sure. Another Benchmade right there. Look at this, Flightanium again. River Arms is crazy, amazing stuff. They do the Citadel Light, which is fantastic. Chadnell Knives, great custom maker. Emerson and Emerson, again, pretty well-known knife maker. That's Grimsmo Knives. They are based in Canada as well. They do the Norseman and the Rask. Another couple from Holt, because I like the Spectre and the Haptic as well. So we have a bunch of these. Knife Art. These are very cool indeed artworks, and that's an online store, of course. This is Derek Stang from Stang Bladeworks, another Canadian knife maker. Pretty cool stuff with the Pyrenees. This is a Spyderco sticker. Looking for trouble right there. This is EK custom knife. They do some amazing stuff. Look at this, another Alt. This is Pathfinder Tactical. They do some patches, some coins and stuff like that. I got this one. I got, of course, Stay Sharp. That's cutleryshop.com. Another one from PVK Vegas. Of course, Nick Shabazz sticker with his fantastic reviews, good, great, bad, and ugly. Another Chris Reeve knives sticker. This is EDC Gearhouse. And what else we have? Okay, Fellholter. Very nice one indeed. That's atlanticknives.ca. It's just a Canadian online shop. I've got the Caveman. They do pretty cool knife scales. Just a couple of Chris Reeve knives stickers as well. Is EDC Gearhouse right there. I don't really know what is this from, but if you know, just leave it in the comment. Karas Pen Company, they do fantastic custom ones, something obscene. It's there. This is 3 River Arms. They do pretty nice Neutron and Atom. Of course, you've got winknife.com, and they do also CVV. This is Sharp Dressed Knives. Really amazing quality scales for your Spyderco, for your Chris Reeve knives. Indeed, this CKG Canadian Facebook group. GTC, SIG, another one Emerson, that's another one from pvk.com, of course Chad Nichols from Nichols Damascus. This is another one here from Kirby Lambert. And we have just another couple more. This is Chris Riv Knives again. Another one from Emerson. Holt Bladework Spectre. What else do we have? Another Shirogorov right there. A couple of Custom Knife Factory. Emerson keeps coming up. This is an interesting one. This is, I think, like from Custom Knife Factory, they used to do these kind of stamps right there. Another Gavko. Of course, Spartan Blades, Shirogorov decal. I don't really know what is this guy from, but let me know if you know it. And what else do we have? Here we have Rock Scale Design. They do very, very cool accessories indeed. And that's pretty much it. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.